worst car to find the parts for is a Mopar product because their catalog sucks.
Sonata, yeah, Kia Sonata, like the newer ones, I'm good. I don't like them because the way you gotta tape them up. Or you got like your newer lift gates that are plastic, don't like those. Gotta tape up the whole back of them. No paint can get on it at all. Other than that, can't complain about anything else.
One or just a list? Mercedes and BMWs are probably the worst ones to work on because they're not built the same as all across the lines. They're all different.
Now what? I don't know, man. You know, everything is the same thing to me, man. You know, you just gotta do what you gotta do. All the cars are the same. You just got different models and different things to work on. But to me, they're all the same, man. You know, you gotta paint one, you gotta paint the other. It's all the same thing to me. That's all I got to say, you know.
I don't think there is. I can tell you the crappiest car I've ever worked on, which was my personal car. Sorry, Dad. When I was a kid, it was an 81 Citation. And it's what I learned how to fix cars on because I wrecked it a bunch. So I worked on it a lot, and it got painted a few times. I learned how to do everything on that car. But unfortunately, as much paint as I put on it over the years, on a real quiet night, you hear it. You can hear it rusting. So like, it was rough, man. But I did love that car. It was just the worst car that I've ever worked on. The dirtiest cars we work on are the minivans. All the minivans.
They can't keep going.
That's the minivans. They're rough.
They're always junky.
But that's their job, man. They haul the kids, and the kids make the messes, and yeah, they're rough. Including mine. Mine's probably worse than most of the ones we work on.